Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, we are going to go over the notes and the fingering for a C major 1-octave scale. We'll start with figuring out which notes are in the C scale using the pattern of whole steps and half steps in a major solfège scale. So in a C scale, our do, first note of the scale, is going to be C. So you'll see in the diagram above, do to re, whole step. Re to mi, whole step. Mi to fa, half step. Fa to so, whole step. So la, whole step. La ti, whole step. Ti do, half step. In a major scale, there are only two half steps, and they are between mi and fa, ti and do. Very easy to see in a C scale because they happen to be the two white keys with no black key in between. So the C major scale and 4 other major scales use what I call standard fingering, which is 3 plus 5. So we'll play 3 notes. We start on the thumb, cross under, and then get all the way to your pinky. So the way I like to get this in my hand is by doing something which is called clumping. So what clumping is you're going to play the thumb all alone, then you're going to clump the next group of notes until the thumb comes again. In this case, it's going to be 2 and 3. Then the thumb's going to come under that, then 2, 3, 4, and the pinky's by itself on the top. Clump, 4, 3, 2, thumb by itself, clump, 3, 2, and thumb. Let's do that again. This builds in which note the thumb is on. In this case, it's F. Now, one at a time. C, D, E, cross, F, G, A, B, C. Get to your thumb, then cross finger 3 over the top. Left hand, we've already figured out the notes in the scale, so we don't have to do that again. But the left hand, you will notice, if we are doing the clumping, we're going to start with the pinky. So our first clump is going to be fingers 4, 3, 2. Then the thumb will play by itself, like this. So we do pinky, clump, 4, 3, 2. Thumb, 3, 2. Thumb, back down. Clump, 2, 3. Thumb, 2, 3, 4. Pinky. One at a time. Cross with finger 3, 5 plus 3 equals 8. When you start with your thumb, you cross under finger 3. Now, when we're putting our hands together for this scale, I don't do clumping because it doesn't add up. One hand would be clumping 3 notes, and the other hand would be clumping 2 notes, and that sounds pretty bad. So we don't do it that way. What I'd like you to do is look at the diagram above and notice finger 3s go together. And there's always one hand doing something around the finger 3. So what I mean by that is we start on do, re. Okay, now we're at a finger 3. Which hand has something going on? In this case, the left hand still has to get to the thumb, so left hand's going to continue on up, right hand is going to cross under 3. Now we're at another finger 3 coming up. What's going to happen? Left hand finger 3 is crossing over. Whichever hand has the thumb is the one that has something going on first. So the left hand started with a thumb right here. It's going to cross under finger 3. Right hand's going to get to the thumb before crossing over. Let's do that one more time. Right hand crosses under finger 3 first. On the way down, crosses under first. Right hand crosses over with finger 3. The 3s go together. Thank you for watching this video on C major 1-octave scale, notes and fingerings. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel and check out other videos on piano technique. Thanks again for watching.